Hello from Earth, the story of NASA's Voyager mission reading and published by Mr. Books. In the vast expanse of the cosmos, where silence reigns and time stretches beyond comprehension, human ingenuity found a voice. The Voyager missions, launched in 1977, represented a turning point in our understanding of the universe. Hello from Earth, the story of NASA's Voyager mission, encapsulates this monumental endeavor, a journey that began with bold aspirations and culminated in remarkable discoveries. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 were not merely spacecraft. They were messengers sent from our blue planet, carrying with them tales of Earth's life and culture, reaching out to the cosmos with a heartfelt hello. As we stand on the precipice of interstellar exploration, it is essential to reflect on the meticulous planning and relentless spirit that birthed these missions. The dreaming minds at NASA envisioned a colossal journey to unveil the mysteries of our solar system and beyond. Their dreams were set into motion by the alignment of the outer planets, a rare cosmic event that allowed Voyager to capitalize on gravitational assists, accelerating its path through the solar system. Each phase of the journey was not without peril, but the scientific community's collective heartbeat thrummed with excitement and wonder. The Voyager spacecraft were equipped with cutting-edge technology, replete with golden records filled with sounds and images representative of humanity. Their purpose transcended mere exploration. They were crafted as time capsules, a legacy of life on Earth to beings who might, in the unimaginable vastness of space, encounter these artifacts one day. Through a blend of art and science, the records featured messages in over 50 languages, music from various cultures, and images capturing our planet's beauty and diversity, a resounding anthem of "We are here." As Voyager journeyed past the gas giants of Jupiter and Saturn, we witnessed phenomena that expanded our knowledge of planetary systems. Surprising structures, moons and rings revealed secrets that had been hidden for ages. Yet, the story of Voyager is not merely about its scientific achievements. It is the story of curiosity, resilience, and the audacity to reach beyond the confines of our existence. It is about humanity's desire to connect with the universe, to understand its intricacies, and to find our place within it. This book aims to explore every facet of the Voyager mission, its inception, the technological marvels that propelled it, the transformative discoveries it made, and the profound legacy it left behind. Each chapter will delve deeply into the stories of the men and women whose passion fueled this dream and unfurled the ambition of a species to know more about the cosmos. Join us as we journey through time and space, reliving the excitement, the heartaches, and the triumphs of an expedition that brought us closer to the stars. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button to support the channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an audiobook that could change your life. Now, let's begin. Enjoy. Chapter 1. The Dawn of Exploration. From the early whispers of astronomy to the cacophony of the space age, humanity's fascination with the cosmos has spurred countless endeavors. To understand the genesis of NASA's Voyager mission, we must rewind to the early years of space exploration, where the seeds of curiosity were first planted. The 1950s and 60s marked significant milestones in rocketry and space science, culminating in a veritable race among nations to secure their place in the infinite tapestry of the universe. As the space race unfolded, the United States launched a myriad of missions, leading to monumental achievements such as the Apollo moon landings. These missions sparked a thirst for discovery that reverberated throughout the scientific community. Planetary science began to emerge as a crucial branch, transforming our understanding of celestial bodies within our solar system. Amidst this burgeoning curiosity was a persistent question, a quest to explore the outer planets Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. In the late 1960s, visionary scientists at NASA initiated discussions for a mission that would become a cornerstone of planetary exploration. One of the key figures was Dr. Gary Flandreau, who proposed the concept of a grand tour of the outer planets, leveraging gravitational assists to maximize efficiency. The alignment of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, occurring every 175 years, presented a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. This alignment would allow a spacecraft to use each planet's gravity to slingshot into the next, drastically reducing fuel requirements and travel time. With a sense of urgency and excitement, NASA began to flesh out the mission plan. Engineers, scientists, and project managers came together to breathe life into a once fantastical notion. They faced challenges not only from the mechanics of space travel, but also from the broader societal context. Funding approvals, technological hurdles, and the specter of uncertainty loomed large. Yet, the passion for exploration outweighed these challenges. Momentum built, and soon the Voyager program was officially born. The Voyager spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, were designed not just as mechanical vessels, but as voices of Earth. Their instrumentation was advanced for the time, enabling them to capture data on cosmic phenomena and celestial bodies like never before. The team of dedicated engineers worked tirelessly on their construction, ensuring every detail was meticulously planned, from the materials used to withstand the harsh conditions of space to the scientific instruments that would gather essential data. As the launch date approached, excitement mingled with apprehension. The world was beginning to understand the magnitude of what was about to unfold. Voyager's mission was not just about exploration, it was a message, a declaration of existence. The whispers of humanity were about to resonate through the starlit void, and the immense weight of that task was palpable. From the inception of the Voyager mission to its eventual launch, the stage was set for an odyssey unlike any other, a journey that would forever change our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The dreams that ignited this venture would soon become reality, propelling humanity deeper into the cosmos and paving the way for future explorers. With hope and determination, we would reach for the stars. Chapter 2: Crafting the Voyager Spacecraft. As the planning for the Voyager missions intensified, the focus shifted toward the intricate process of crafting the spacecraft that would bear humanity's hopes and aspirations into the boundless void. The design and engineering of the Voyager spacecraft were monumental feats of innovation, requiring not only technical precision, but also foresight into the harsh realities of space travel. The engineers and scientists faced numerous challenges even before the first screws were tightened. For instance, the spacecraft needed to withstand extreme temperatures, intense radiation, and the vacuum of space for an extended period. They were to be the first American spacecraft to travel beyond the asteroid belt, a leap that illustrated the ambitious nature of the Voyager mission. The choice of materials was critical. The outer skin of the spacecraft, built to endure an environment inhospitable to human life, was fashioned from aluminum and other stopping materials. These selections were pivotal for ensuring both lightness and resilience. Engineers extensively tested the thermal protection systems to shield Voyager from the intense radiation belts surrounding the planets and beyond. This blend of materials and designs underscored the meticulous preparation that went into every aspect of the spacecraft. In totality, the Voyager spacecraft were approximately 22.3 feet tall and weighed around 800 pounds. The sophisticated technology on board was groundbreaking at the time. Voyager was equipped with multiple scientific instruments designed to capture a wealth of information regarding the outer planets and their moons. Among these were spectrometers that could analyze the atmospheres of gas giants, cameras for capturing detailed images, and magnetometers to measure magnetic fields. Crucial to the mission's success was the inclusion of an advanced power source. The Voyager spacecraft harnessed radioisotope thermoelectric generators RTAGs, as a reliable source of power long after conventional solar panels would have become ineffective. These generators transformed heat produced by radioactive decay into electrical energy, allowing Voyager to operate far into the depths of space beyond the reach of the Sun. However, the most profound symbol of humanity's longing for connection was the Golden Record. This 12-inch gold-plated copper disc, attached to each Voyager spacecraft, serves as a time capsule containing sounds and images representing life on Earth. It was a carefully curated selection designed by a team led by Dr. Carl Sagan, which included greetings in over 50 languages, music from various cultures, and images illustrating the diversity of life and human civilization. The creation of the Golden Record was not merely an act of data collection. It was an expression of humanity's desire to communicate and connect with any potential extraterrestrial life forms that might encounter these spacecraft in the distant future. The culmination of these efforts brought the spacecraft closer to launch. The intricate assembly and testing procedures demanded an unprecedented level of collaboration across diverse fields. Engineers worked hand in hand with scientists, each member bringing their expertise to the foray. It was a community effort, a shared dream of reaching for the stars. The spirit of innovation thrived in the hallowed halls of NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, where collaboration was the heartbeat of every project. As the countdown to launch began, anxiety and excitement mingled within the team. They stood on the threshold of a venture that would unravel mysteries, capture imaginations, and echo through the ages. The Voyager spacecraft would not merely be machines. They would become the embodiment of human curiosity, a spark igniting the exploration of worlds previously inaccessible. When Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 finally soared into the sky, they carried with them the collective dreams, ambitions, and voices of humanity. It marked the beginning of an extraordinary journey, an adventure that defied boundaries, heralding our capacity for exploration and ultimately our desire to connect with the universe and establish our place within it. The spacecraft had become more than vessels. They were the messengers of Earth, set on a path towards the cosmos, a hopeful hello to the stars. Chapter 3: The Grand Tour, a journey through the solar system. With the successful launch of the Voyager spacecraft, the stage was set for the Grand Tour, a meticulously planned trajectory through the outer planets designed to maximize scientific returns while minimizing travel time. The Voyager missions were not just journeys, they were a grand symphony of science, where every planetary encounter produced a potent harmony of discovery. It marked the beginning of humanity's deeper understanding of its celestial neighbors. The first major stop on this journey was Jupiter, the gas giant that had captivated astronomers for centuries. Voyager 1 arrived at Jupiter in March 1979, and the world held its breath as the spacecraft beamed back images that forever altered our perception of the planet. The images revealed a turbulent atmosphere, banded color variations, and the iconic Great Red Spot, a colossal storm raging for over a century. Each photograph unveiled the planet's beauty and complexity, showcasing wild weather systems and dynamic cloud patterns. But the surprises did not halt there. Voyager's instruments revealed the intricacies of Jupiter's magnetic field, producing data that reshaped our understanding of planetary magnetospheres. It was not only visually stunning, the scientific data collected during this brief encounter proved invaluable. The discovery of Jupiter's faint rings and the tantalizing details about its numerous moons, including the intriguing volcanic activity on Io and the icy surface of Europa, opened up new avenues for research and sparked imaginations around the world. The prospect of life existing beyond Earth became a real possibility. As Voyager 1 departed Jupiter, it set its sights on Saturn. In July 1980, it made its grand approach to the second largest planet in our solar system. The Saturnian landscape, adorned with stunning rings, was unlike anything humanity had ever seen. The craftsmanship of nature unfolded before the eyes of the world as Voyager captured breathtaking images of Saturn's rings and its moons. Among them was Titan, a moon shrouded in a thick atmosphere, the only known object in the solar system outside Earth that contains stable bodies of liquid on its surface. The data relayed by Voyager 1 during its encounter with Saturn transformed scientific understanding. Scientists learned about the composition of the rings, the chemical makeup of Titan's atmosphere, and the dynamics of Saturn's magnetic field. Each revelation raised more questions that would fuel future missions and deepen our understanding of planetary systems. Simultaneously, Voyager 2 began its journey into the depths of the solar system, en route to the same gas giants. It flew by Jupiter in July 1979 and continued its march towards Saturn, arriving in August 1981. Understanding the grand choreography of the Voyager missions highlighted the synergy between these twin spacecraft. Capturing data concurrently added layers of richness to the scientific narrative, like twin voices weaving a tale of discovery. After Saturn, Voyager 2 turned its gaze to Uranus. In January 1986, it became the first spacecraft to fly by this ice giant, producing a flurry of data that left the scientific community astounded. The images showcased a planet with a unique tilt and an internal structure that differed from the gas giants. It revealed a planet where the weather danced in unpredictable patterns, hinting at the complexities of planetary atmospheres that would inspire future exploration. The journey continued as Voyager 2 pressed forward toward Neptune, arriving in August 1989. The dark blue planet presented an enigmatic visage, and the data it sent back unveiled the mysteries of its atmosphere and moons. Triton, Neptune's largest moon, became a focal point of research, exhibiting geysers that erupted nitrogen gas. The intersection of discovery and the unknown reached a climax in this final encounter, wherein Voyager 2 imparted knowledge that would shape our understanding of ice giants for decades. Wow! The Grand Tour was more than a coordinated trajectory. It was a quest for understanding. Each planetary encounter produced a thorough narrative about the solar system, revealing the intricacies and dynamics that govern these worlds. The data gathered was monumental, serving as the foundation for future research, manipulating theories that had been held for years and broadening the horizons of planetary science. The awe-inspiring dividends of these encounters were underscored by another curiosity, the Earth itself. As Voyager 1 prepared to exit the solar system, it turned its cameras back toward home, capturing the iconic pale blue dot image. This photograph encapsulated Earth as a mere speck in the vast cosmic ocean, a poignant reminder of the fragility of our planet and the interconnectedness of all life within the universe. The image provoked philosophical reflection on humanity's place in the cosmos, encapsulating the enduring message of the Voyager mission, an invitation to embrace our shared existence across the stars. The Grand Tour concluded with a clutch of revelations that transformed the landscape of planetary science. The Voyager missions acted as a bridge between imagination and reality, revealing the beauty and complexities of space. As we reflect on this unparalleled journey through the solar system, we find ourselves not just as observers, but as part of a greater narrative, a story of exploration that persists in the quest for knowledge. Chapter 4: The Golden Record, a message to the stars. Embedded within its metallic exterior, the Voyager spacecraft carried more than instruments and technology. It held a profound message, a celestial testament to humanity, known as the Golden Record. Conceived as a time capsule, the Golden Record was crafted to tell the stories of Earth's diverse cultures, conveying the rich tapestry of life on our planet through sounds and images. This endeavor transcended mere scientific curiosity. It was an expression of human creativity and an act of optimism reaching toward the cosmic unknown. The idea of the Golden Record emerged from the imaginative mind of Dr. Carl Sagan and his team, who faced the daunting challenge of distilling the essence of humanity into a single 12-inch disc. This undertaking required a delicate balance. They had to curate a selection of sounds and images that encapsulated the breadth of human experience, while remaining accessible to beings who might one day come across this time capsule light years from Earth. To capture the complexity of humanity, the team designed the record to include a variety of musical genres representing different cultures, eras, and regions. The selections ranged from traditional songs, such as a Peruvian panpipe tune, to classical masterpieces by Beethoven, as well as modern pieces by artists from various countries. This musical mosaic served to illustrate the universal language of music, transcending barriers of culture and time. Additionally, the Golden Record included greetings in over 50 languages, serving as a warm invitation to any extraterrestrial life form that might listen. The messages express simple thoughts of goodwill, with phrases such as "hello" and "we are all humans" reverberating through the cosmos. Each greeting was a reminder of humanity's shared existence, a nod toward our collective hope for connection beyond the stars. The visual components of the Golden Record were equally thoughtfully selected. A series of photographs curated by leading scientists and artists showcased the diversity of life on Earth, representing landscapes, animals, human activities, and cultures. From breathtaking images of lush forests and stunning mountain ranges to the joy of children playing, the visuals painted a vivid portrait of the planet and its inhabitants. Each image was chosen not only for its aesthetic appeal, but also for its capacity to tell a unique story about life on Earth. The making of the Golden Record transcended mere documentation. It was an act of love, a heartfelt testament to the beauty of life. Every groove on the vinyl disc was an imprint of life's myriad experiences, crafted with care and deliberation. Sagan and his team saw it as a way to acknowledge the possibility of life beyond Earth, a gesture to ensure that if beings from another world came across the record, they would understand who we are as a species. As the Voyager spacecraft embarked on its journey, the Golden Record became an integral part of its very being. With every twist of its trajectory, it bore the legacy of humanity, a reminder of our innate desire to explore, to share, and to connect. It was a hope, a prayer sent into the void, an offering extended toward a universe that often remains elusive and silent. Decades later, the Golden Record serves as a poignant artifact, a reflection of an era where human curiosity collided with the vastness of the cosmos. It embodies the hope that, somewhere out there, another civilization may one day hear our words, embrace our music, and glimpse the images of our world scattered across the cosmos. The story of Voyager is intertwined with the Golden Record, a narrative woven by threads of creativity, inquiry, and longing. The records echo the human spirit, a heartwarming tribute to the essence of who we are. They capture the audacity of our dreams, an invocation sent forth from Earth to span the stars, a timeless reminder that our search for kinship extends beyond our own planet, mirroring the universal truth that life itself is precious, irrespective of where it may occur in the cosmos. Chapter 5: Interstellar Space, the Final Frontier. After completing its grand tour of the outer planets, Voyager 1 made its way towards the interstellar frontier, the shadowy realm beyond the influence of our Sun. Entering this uncharted territory was a monumental leap for humankind, signaling a new chapter in our quest to understand the universe. As Voyager punctured the veil of our solar system in 2012, it marked the first time a human-made object traversed interstellar space, opening the door to myriad discoveries that would shift our cosmic perspective. The transition from the heliosphere, the region dominated by solar winds and magnetic fields, into interstellar space was an intricate journey requiring relentless monitoring and adaptation. As Voyager 1 drifted away from the familiar, the spacecraft's instruments began to register signals and interactions reflective of a new environment. It was as if Voyager was crossing a threshold, leaving behind an era defined by planets, and embarking on a journey shaped by the mysterious interstellar medium. In the quiet solitude of interstellar space, Voyager's magnetometers detected a significant shift in the magnetic field environment. The data revealed that the interstellar medium was composed of low-density gases, primarily hydrogen and helium, dotted with cosmic dust left over from the creation of stars. These insights reshaped our understanding of stellar evolution. They illuminated the processes that occur in the galactic ecosystem and emphasized the interconnectivity of all matter throughout the cosmos. Additionally, Voyager's instruments registered an increase in cosmic rays high-energy particles, originating from supernovae and other cosmic events. These measurements provided valuable data about the type of radiation present beyond the protective influence of the solar wind, which not only offered insights into celestial events, but also solidified our understanding of the hazards that await future interstellar explorers. Despite the distances stretching beyond comprehension, Voyager continued to communicate with mission control back on Earth. The signals, traveling at the speed of light, moved through the void, a poignant reminder of human persistence and ingenuity. Even in this remote expanse, the voices of the engineers, scientists, and dreamers whose hands shaped the Voyager missions resonated, echoing through time and space. As Voyager 1 ventured farther into interstellar space, ENASA continued to gather data, analyzing the information to unlock secrets about the surrounding cosmos. The mission became a testament to human creativity and resilience, a story woven through time where science and technology converged with dreams and aspirations. It transcended geographical boundaries and highlighted the bond that ties all humanity together in the quest for knowledge, an aching desire to know where we came from and to explore the enigmatic depths of the universe. In 2018, Voyager 2 followed suit, embarking on its own interstellar journey after a successful flyby of Neptune. It too began to relay vital data from this uncharted territory, revealing further intricacies of cosmic phenomena. Together, the twin spacecraft became ambassadors of Earth, navigating through the infinite canvas of space-time, challenging our understanding of the universe with every piece of data sent back to mission control. The Voyager missions revealed that interstellar space was not an empty void, but a dynamic tapestry of activity, a realm where human capabilities and scientific ambitions flourished. Every new discovery added complexity and depth to our understanding of the cosmos, bridging the gap between the known and the unknown. Furthermore, as they traversed this cosmic expanse, the legacy of the Golden Record flourished in the hearts of the scientific community. The thought of a potential encounter with extraterrestrial civilizations became a tantalizing dream, hinting at humanity's interconnectedness with the cosmic narrative. The small golden discs carried a piece of ourselves through the dark seas of interstellar space, forging connections that transcended time and distance. As we look back on Voyager's journey into interstellar space, we must recognize the significance of this odyssey. It is a story about the spirit of exploration, our ambition to reach beyond our limits, and the hope that exists in the face of uncertainty. In the silence of the cosmos, the voice of humanity echoes a testament to our longing for connection, a hint of the possibilities that lie beyond, and a reminder that we are all part of this grand adventure known as life in the universe. Chapter 6: Voyager's Omens, Encounters with the Unknown. The Voyager missions carved indelible paths through the cosmos. But as they ventured beyond the known, they also encountered the enigmatic phenomena that challenged previous conceptions of the universe. Each encounter served as a reminder that while we unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, it often reveals far more questions than answers. The journey of exploration is fraught with wonders, and the challenges encountered by the Voyager spacecraft epitomized the tenacity of the human spirit in the face of the unpredictable. Beyond the solar system, Voyager began to detect signs of cosmic rays, an influx of high-energy particles originating from unknown sources. This unprecedented observation raised questions that extended far beyond the boundaries of human knowledge. Where do these particles come from? What cosmic events generate such energy? Scientists around the globe turned their attention to these mysteries, hoping to elucidate the origins of cosmic phenomena that had puzzled astronomers for centuries. As Voyager ventured further into interstellar space, it became apparent that the boundaries of human understanding were being tested. The complexity of the interstellar medium, with its mysterious densities and magnetic fields, revealed the intricate dance of matter and energy in this hostile environment. Voyager's ability to measure these interactions brought valuable insights, ones that would ultimately reshuffle our scientific frameworks and push the boundaries of astrophysics. In addition to cosmic rays, Voyager encountered the heliopause, the boundary where the solar wind meets the interstellar medium. The data relayed from this threshold described a vibrant interplay between two vast realms, each with its own unique properties and influences. It became a focal point of study for scientists probing the processes governing solar and interstellar interactions. The findings underscored the notion that the universe is composed of layers, and that every layer, much like each celestial body, has its own story to tell. During these encounters, Voyager's instruments provided stark evidence of charged particles from supernova explosions infiltrating our solar system. This new understanding underscored the dynamic nature of our stellar environment and reminded us that humanity sits not within a bubble, but in an intricate web of cosmic activity. The beauty of Voyager's journey lay not only in the hard data, but also in its ability to spark the imagination, transforming our cosmic perspective. These unfurling discoveries echoed through the corridors of scientific institutions, igniting passion in aspiring astronomers, physicists, and engineers. Each revelation transformed the narrative of the universe, instilling hope for further exploration, proof that humanity's thirst for knowledge is insatiable. Voyager became more than a spacecraft. It grew into a symbol of perseverance, encapsulating our boundless curiosity and desire to connect with the cosmos. Simultaneously, the dual Voyagers faced the harsh conditions of interstellar space with great resilience. The farther they traveled, the more their instruments endured. Engineers and scientists monitored the systems diligently, finding innovative solutions to the challenges posed by cosmic radiation and minimal thermal control. This adaptability underscored a greater truth about exploration, that it is often the resilience and creativity of human minds that propel success. In this narrative of exploration, the Voyager missions became synonymous with the quest to uncover the secrets of existence, striving to understand the fabric of our universe while acknowledging that the unknown beckons with unending questions. The spirit of exploration emanated from every data transmission, confirming that the desire to know transcends the barriers of space and time. As Voyager continued to gather information from interstellar space, it sparked an era of collaboration among scientists, engineers, and enthusiasts alike. Conferences and discussions flourished as researchers worldwide pored over the new findings, sharing insights and pining over questions once thought insurmountable. Each piece of data became a boon for the physics community, offering clues that would embolden future missions to the stars. Beyond the technical realm, the stories gathered from Voyager also resonated with the public, fostering a renewed sense of wonder. Schools integrated these discoveries into curricula, stimulating young minds to dream beyond Earth's horizons. The global community rallied around the Voyager missions, igniting love for science, arts, and the human experience, a convergence of inquiry driven by our shared narrative. In the shadow of the unknown, The cosmos opened itself to humanity as the Voyager missions sailed through darkness. The voice of civilization echoed through the void, transforming the silence into an invitation for exploration, a humble approach to the mysteries of the universe that beckoned to be unveiled. The story of Voyager extended beyond the spacecraft. It became a tale of resilience, ambition, and interconnectedness, a shining testament to humanity's unwavering quest for knowledge in the face of uncertainty. Chapter 7: Legacy of Voyager: Impact on Science and Culture. As the Voyager spacecraft journeyed farther from Earth, the legacy they crafted began to mirror the essence of humanity's quest for knowledge and connection. The findings and inspiration drawn from their remarkable odyssey reshaped scientific understanding and resonated deeply with the broader societal fabric. The story of Voyager is not merely a chronicle of exploration. It symbolizes the interconnectedness of science, artistry, and the human experience, showcasing the impact that interstellar exploration can have on culture and society. The scientific legacy of the Voyager missions can be measured in the wealth of data returned from the outer planets and beyond. The comprehensive datasets compiled from encounters with Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune provided an unprecedented foundation upon which future explorations would be constructed. This treasure trove of information fostered innovative research directions, leading to the development of new theories in planetary science, astrobiology, and astrophysics. Scientific institutions built upon the discoveries made by Voyager, expanding the realm of inquiry and questioning the models that had previously governed our understanding of planetary dynamics. In particular, the insights revealed about planetary atmospheres and magnetic fields provided launching pads for future missions, such as the Juno spacecraft and NASA's upcoming Europa Clipper, tasked with exploring the icy moon of Jupiter. The discoveries of the Voyager missions became stepping stones, motivating new scientific endeavors that would probe deeper into our twofold quest: the search for knowledge and the potential for extraterrestrial life. Beyond the confines of academia, the narrative of Voyager captivated the public imagination. The spacecraft became cultural icons, symbolizing exploration, adventure, and the spirit of inquiry. The iconic pale blue dot photograph, taken by Voyager 1, became emblematic of not just Earth's fragility, but also a profound reflection on humanity's shared responsibility to care for our world. As Carl Sagan eloquently stated, there is perhaps no better demonstration of the folly of human conceits than this distant image of our tiny world. This statement catalyzed communities worldwide to consider their role in the universe as stewards of life on Earth. Art, literature, and media found profound inspiration in the Voyager mission. Documentaries, films, and books highlighting the journey reached audiences far beyond the scientific community. The mission's narrative explored the interplay between humanity, technology, and the universe, igniting wonder and curiosity among viewers and readers. Musicians and artists embraced the essence of Voyager, channeling the emotions it evoked through various creative expressions. Dialogue around space exploration tapped into a collective yearning for purpose, prompting discussions that crossed borders and cultures. The legacy of the Voyager missions also fostered a sense of global cooperation, as scientists and engineers from diverse backgrounds collaborated to design, construct, and operate the spacecraft. Their efforts stood as a testament to the potential for unity amid our differences. It illustrated how a shared dream could arise from disparate corners of the world, echoing the sentiment that exploration transcends boundaries. Voyager's impact was particularly resonant among the younger generations, providing inspiration for students to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, (STEM). Educational programs incorporated the discoveries and narratives from the Voyager missions, empowering students to understand their connection to the cosmos and foster a passion for inquiry. Schools and advocacy groups celebrated space-themed events to ignite curiosity and wonder, framing exploration as a fundamental human right, regardless of one's background. As humanity stands on the brink of interstellar exploration, Voyager's legacy serves as a guiding light illuminating the possibilities that await. It reminds us of our innate curiosity, an inspiring dream to reach beyond the stars. Those dreams, born out of exploration and wonder, continue to evolve, propelling the next generation of explorers into realms yet unknown. As we reflect on the legacy of the Voyager missions, we see echoes of human connection shaping every strand of their narrative. They remind us of our collective journey and shared aspirations. As we continue to explore the unknown, let us carry this spirit of Voyager within our hearts, a spirit of curiosity, unity, and the unwavering pursuit of knowledge that binds us together as we reach for the stars. Chapter 8. Continuing the Journey, a Look to the Future. As Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 continue their solitary journey through interstellar space, the legacy of their exploration inspires not only reflection, but also aspirations for the future of humankind's quest beyond the confines of our solar system. The advancements in technology, data collection, and scientific understanding gained from these missions set the stage for an era of discovery that holds limitless potential. What lies ahead for humanity as we push the boundaries of the known universe? This chapter contemplates the next steps in our interstellar odyssey. The developments in propulsion technology mark significant strides that promise to reshape the future of space travel. Innovations such as solar sails, ion propulsion systems, and potentially even nuclear thermal propulsion are being explored to facilitate long-duration missions beyond the reach of traditional rocket technology. These breakthroughs hold the potential to shorten travel times and enhance the feasibility of crewed missions to distant destinations. Visionaries are already contemplating human exploration of Mars, the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, and beyond, establishing footholds that may one day lead us to the stars. Meanwhile, other missions inspired by the Voyager legacy are poised to embark upon new explorations. The upcoming Europa Clipper mission, scheduled for launch in the 2020s, aims to investigate the icy moon of Jupiter, searching for signs of habitability. Europa's subsurface ocean holds the promise of microbial life, and this mission signifies humanity's enduring curiosity to understand our cosmic neighbors intimately. The diversity of the universe beckons the next generation to continue on a path illuminated by the explorations of Voyager. In addition to our solar system, the prospect of searching distant exoplanets for signs of life has become an exciting focus within the scientific community. Telescopes, like the James Webb Space Telescope, are designed to scrutinize the atmospheres of exoplanets located in the habitable zone around their stars, searching for biosignatures that indicate the possibility of life. The quest to connect with civilizations or biological entities beyond Earth remains a tantalizing prospect, the culmination of human curiosity that has been alive since our earliest days, gazing at the stars. As we reach for the stars, we must also recognize our responsibility as stewards of Earth. Voyager's story is intertwined with the narrative of environmental consciousness, urging us to take action to protect our fragile planet. Understanding our existence as a continuum that connects life on Earth with the universe could inspire collaborative movements for sustainability across nations. The shared responsibility for our home is echoed in the uncertainty of what future missions may discover about the cosmos and our own role within it. The education and inspiration derived from the Voyager missions ignite the passion for exploration among individuals worldwide. The stories of the spacecraft become a powerful tool for science communication, breathing life into classrooms and motivating students to explore careers in STEM fields. Society's enthusiasm for exploration must continue to evolve, encouraging inclusivity and diversity within the scientific community, empowering voices that have long been unheard. As we embrace the unknown, we remain connected to a rich legacy of exploration. Humanity's intrepid journey into the cosmic wilderness represents not just a scientific endeavor, it is a visceral expression of our shared identity. With every breakthrough and every mission, we draw closer together, fostering bonds that unite us in curiosity and wonderment for the universe that cradles us. Voyager has showcased the power of dreams. Its messages were not just transmissions through space, they encapsulated humanity's hope for connection, discovery, and understanding in the face of uncertainty. As we continue on our cosmic journey, let us carry forth that flame of curiosity with courage and resilience, exploring the mysteries that lie within the stars, reaching for the secrets of the universe, and perhaps, along the way, finding pieces of ourselves. The story of the Voyager missions is ever-evolving, transcending space and time. It is a chapter in the narrative of humanity, a tale that binds us together across generations, a testament to our relentless spirit of exploration and our unyielding desire to connect with the universe. The journey continues, and with it, our aspirations and dreams soar into the cosmos, echoing the heartfelt hello first sent from Earth to the stars. This book encapsulates the profound journey of NASA's Voyager mission, reflecting on the indomitable spirit of exploration that defines humanity and continues to inspire future endeavors into the cosmos. If you found this video helpful, inspiring, or entertaining, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. Your support means the world. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.